Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to part 1, lesson 1 of English for beginners with قادر. Today we are going to learn ways to greet someone and to say goodbye. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, first when you meet someone, what do you say? For sure you will start with hello, hi, as I started my video. I said hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So when you meet someone, you use the word hello or hi. When hello, when hi. Hello is formal and hi is informal. So you usually use hi when you're talking to your friends or family members, right? You can also use good morning if it's morning, good afternoon if it's afternoon, and good evening if it's evening. So listen again. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. These are the ways to start your conversation with someone. Okay, now after you say hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, you're going to ask them how are they, right? So what do you say? You can say, how are you? What's up? How's everything? Or how's it going? Listen one more time. How are you? What's up? How is it going? Or how's it going? How is? How's. How's is the shortened form of how is. How's it going? Or how's everything? How is everything? How's everything? How's everything? So these are the ways to ask someone how are they doing. Now how to give answers to those questions. You can say, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay, thanks. I'm okay, thanks. Not much. Not much. So-so. So-so. Great. Great. Not bad. Or, I'm very well. I'm very well. Not bad. I'm very well. So after you answer their questions, like when they ask you, how are you? You say, I'm good, I'm bad, not very well, I'm fine. If you want to know how are they, you can ask them, and you. Like, how are you? I'm fine. And you? How is it going? Great. And you? Easy. Now it's the time to say goodbye. You have to go. You have things to do. You have works to do. You have to go home or somewhere. You are going to say goodbye. You may say bye, goodbye, see you if you are going to see them. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Have a great weekend. If it's weekend, like if it's Saturday or Sunday. Have a nice weekend. Have a good weekend. See you later. Or if it's night, you may say, good night, bye. That's all. Easy, right? Now you are going to see everything that we have learned today. And this time, try to repeat after me. Okay? Right here. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? What's up? How's it going? How's everything? Now, how to answer them? Not bad. Not much. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm very well. And you? And now how to say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye. See you. See you tomorrow. See you later. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Good night. That's all. Now let's practice together. We are going to have a conversation. You are going to read the red lines and I'm going to read the blue lines. Okay? Let's go. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Take care. Bye. That's all. Easy, right? You can also practice like this at home with your partner. Okay, today's lesson is over. Part 1, lesson 1 of English for beginners is done. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Take care and have fun. Bye.